Hey, I'm Andrea from Narrative. Today I'm going to run you through the basics of using Select. First up, we're going to create a project. You can do this by choosing a folder of raw images that's already on your computer or hard drive, or by using Ingest, which will copy your raw images directly from a memory card into a folder on your computer or hard drive while they import into Select. After you've created a project, you're ready to start culling. The up and down arrows will move between images, and the left and right arrows will move you between groups of similar images, known as scenes. If you hold Command while moving up and down, you'll cycle through the images in the current scene. You can hit S to enter Scenes mode for a better view of your scenes. You can swap the arrow keys and more in Preferences, located on the top right corner of Select. Select your images by giving them a rating. You can use keys 1 to 5 for star ratings, with 0 to clear the rating, or keys 6 to 9 with the letter P for color ratings, with Command 0 to clear the rating. You can also use T to tag and X to reject images, and U to clear these ratings. Keep in mind that only star and color ratings will transfer to your editing software once you've shipped your images over. There's no correct way to rate your images. Find what works best for you. I usually prefer using 1 star to rate the images I like, and sometimes once I'm done, I'll then filter my 1-star images and add 2 stars to refine it a little more. We also have a ton of great features to help you make your selections. Face assessments help you quickly identify your best shots. The red ellipse shows this person is blinking, and this red line shows that this person is out of focus, so it's probably not a keeper. And here, the yellow ellipse shows that this person's eyes are partially open, and the yellow line shows this person is a little bit out of focus. First Pass is like your junior culling assistant. It provides one of 3 labels on your photos: potential pics, unlikely pics, and undesirable pics. To filter out undesirable pics, hold Command and click on the red hexagon in the filters bar. To show only potential pics, click on the blue hexagon. First Pass also gives each image a rank within a scene. You can change your sort order to scene rank, or head over to Scenes View to see the scenes in rank order. This means you should see the best images at the top of a scene and can simply skip to the next scene once you've found your pick. Tap the / to open the close-ups panel, where you can see close-up crops of all the faces in an image. If you want more detail, click on a face to enter pan mode, where you can zoom and pan around using the minimap. We also have survey mode if there are any images you want to compare side by side. If you want to crop or level any of your images, hit C to open the crop panel. Select gives a focus score for each image that has at least one face detected. You can choose to filter your images based on the focus score. For example, you can filter to only show images that have a focus score of 8 or above. When you're done culling, click the Ship button and choose your ship options to send your images over to your editing program of choice, such as Lightroom. You can also drag and drop the selected files into any editing program, or you can move or copy your selected image files to a folder. Don't forget to check out the full list of shortcuts and the Preferences menu for extra customizations. We've added quick access to these in the top right corner next to our Help menu, where you can find more resources to help along the way. Happy selecting!